to create artificial earthquakes. Have you seen this vehicle designed to create artificial earthquakes? It's actually a controlled seismic source vehicle specifically used for geological exploration, mainly in oil and gas exploration and mineral resource development. Its tires weigh 0.75 tons, while the seismic vibrator's impact device reaches 5.9 tons. In the vast desert, a gentle tremor can detect whether oil is hidden underground. In the past, oil exploration often used explosives to simulate earthquakes, which were not only dangerous but also caused severe environmental damage. The controlled seismic source vehicle precisely controls vibrations to generate small artificial earthquakes that do not damage the surface, yet penetrate thousands of meters underground, like performing a CT scan of the Earth to obtain detailed stratigraphic information. Its off-road tires and impact device design enable it to operate smoothly in rugged mountains and desert terrains. Have you seen this vehicle designed to create artificial earthquakes? It's